Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 674 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today comes from Money Control, exploring how recent regulatory reforms are fundamentally reshaping the insurance landscape for the better. The report delves into the evolving market conduct and product structures that promise greater transparency and efficiency. Highlighting the industry's positive trajectory, the article features a key quote from our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer at Bajaj General Insurance, noting that these reforms are crucial for staying true to the core of the insurance sector. The emphasis is on shifting focus from mere sales volumes to delivering genuine long-term value to customers. The report suggests that these changes are not just procedural, but are paving the way for a more mature and customer-centric market that prioritizes the policyholders' needs above all else. Moving on to our next story from the Times of India. The Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, or IRDAI, is taking decisive steps to ensure healthcare affordability. The report outlines how the authority has directed insurance companies to cut costs and reduce management expenses. This directive aims to streamline operations within insurance firms, with the ultimate goal of lowering the premium burden on consumers. By curbing unnecessary administrative costs, IRDAI hopes to make health insurance coverage more affordable without compromising coverage. This move is expected to boost health insurance penetration across the country, ensuring that financial protection against medical emergencies is within reach for a larger section of society. Moving on to our next story, from the Business Standard, we have a significant update from the state of Kerala. The state government has approved a comprehensive disaster insurance scheme offering up to Rs 10 lakh in coverage for homes. This initiative is a major step towards property protection, designed to safeguard homeowners against the financial devastation often caused by natural disasters. By providing a substantial coverage amount, the policy aims to ensure quicker recovery and rehabilitation for families affected by disasters. This move highlights the growing importance of state-backed risk mitigation measures in regions prone to environmental challenges. Our final story today comes from Silicon India, covering how Tamil Nadu's health insurance programs are setting new benchmarks at the national level. The report details the state's successful implementation of inclusive health schemes that are serving as a model for the rest of the country. The article praises the robust framework of Tamil Nadu's initiatives, which have bridged the gap between quality healthcare and the general public. By effectively covering a vast demographic and ensuring seamless claim processes, the state is demonstrating how well-structured insurance programs can dramatically improve public health outcomes and set a standard for others to follow. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.